You may have heard that the C8 Z06's engine is having some ticking issues. If you are experiencing that, you'd probably be happy to hear that GM has investigated it and has now issued a new service bulletin on how to fix it. Now, there's been a handful of Z06 owners that have been complaining about excessive ticking noises coming from the LT6 V8. If you are experiencing any of these ticking noises in your Z06, take it back to GM and let them take a look at it, because what's going to happen is their service techs are going to be required to take a pixoscope to determine if the ticking noise is coming from the left bank or the right bank. If they determine the ticking noise is coming from the left bank of the engine, the camshaft cap adjustment procedure can be done with the engine in the car. If it's coming from the right bank, the engine will need to be removed to gain access to perform the repair. Now, basically what that means is the camshaft cap was improperly torqued from the factory, so they have to go back in and tighten everything up to spec. This could be a simple fix, or as it says, if it's coming from the right bank of the engine, it's all going to have to come out. That can be a very lengthy procedure. It's saying if it's coming from the left bank, the time will be 6.6 hours for the convertibles and 9.9 hours for the coupe. If it is the right bank, then the service will require 16.6 hours for the convertible and 17.3 hours for the coupe, considering that's when the engine needs to come out of the car. Now, there's already been a member of the mid-engine Corvette forum that has had this procedure done, and he said that when he got his car back, the engine was very quiet, at least 95% better. The technical service bulletin notes that due to the LT6's mechanical valve train design, there will be some mechanical ticking noise, which will be normal. The excessive ticking noise can be best heard while the engine is idling and is more noticeable with the hatch open and in touring mode. It also states that there are no specific VIN numbers that are included in this bulletin, so potentially any LT6 V8 produced in 2023 could have this problem. So if you have a C8 Z06 and you think your engine is making more ticking noises than it should be, take it back to your dealership and have them take a look at it. It may fall under this service bulletin.